Someone can't take a roundabout properly.
I mean, how can you see? Oh, it's an Audi, of course. You could clearly see me, and they just pull out anyway because it's an Audi.
So there's one guy just walked up, a French fella, and he has a very impressive job. He's head of
Just straight line the roundabout then. Hope those milliseconds you saved were worth it. What a sensible place to try and undertake a car, coming up to a mini roundabout. Why is the car in front slowing and trying to give way to the car turning right? Just carry on and let them turn behind you.
The fuck? What the hell is going on? What are you doing? You're now sitting in both lanes.
Sitting in both lanes to go straight over, great. Why try to overtake when the van in front is turning left? Are you that impatient to just sit and wait for the van to clear?
From the van behind. What were they trying to achieve being in that second lane for that long there when there was no one behind me?
Audi ignores me braking and decides to sit on the fire station keep clear signs. Typical Audi.
You want lakeside?
What, the LT59?
Yeah. Why else am I tailgating a car in the second lane and not going in the third lane? Because they're desperate to get past this car. Look at them. Look at them.
Oh, now they're thinking about overtaking that. When there's a fucking
They're
car.
braking.
Oh, they're going to try for this gap.
And there we go.
They should have closed the gap.
No. You just knew what was going to happen.
They would have got so far.
Oh my god, that is not a fucking car parking space, is it, bitch? Neither is that. People are so lazy.
white car's going so slow. Oh.
Just in case. I wasn't sure if the other car was gonna was gonna carry on going anyway because the first car started moving.
One out.
Someone has forgotten their lights. Would have thought it's dark enough to notice. Let's fix that, eh?